guys, what is up? This is Bama Girl Amy. I'm coming at you guys today with a DIY project I have been working on. Went to Walmart to get me an Alabama jacket as we do every year. They only have hoodies this year. And I asked them when they getting any jackets in that zip up and down, and they told me that they were not getting them this year. So I got, aggravated, and I just decided that I would buy me a jacket, a plain jacket, and just do my own jacket of Alabama. So we bought this jacket. It is a gray plush. It's a very, very soft material. I love the material. It's just so soft. It feels like those really, really soft blankets that you buy, the baby blankets. I also got a charm, and an elephant charm, and I just attached it to the zipper part. Super duper cute. Then I went to Hobby Lobby and I got me the iron-on decals. I got a football, and then I got the roses because I thought the roses were just super pretty, and it actually went with the football pretty good. Over here I have the iron-on Roll Tide. Now guys, you can halfway see it in here because it's glittering, but these are the glitter iron-on. Now guys, if you do decide to do something with glitter, be super duper careful, because when you iron it on, it tells you to use like a piece of cloth on top of it to where it don't mess up. Well, the problem is when you do that, it tries to stick to the cloth. So what I did is I just pried it, of course, off the cloth, and I just pressed very gently with an iron, and it ended up sticking. But guys, that is my DIY Alabama jacket. Just had to show it with you guys. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Love each and every one of you. Bama Girl Amy, I'm out.